I need radians now. Favorite part, radians. So most of you should know, hopefully, I hope you do know. I'm sure you know. 2 pi, that's one full circle, which means that half of that is pi. So 180 is pi. 180 is pi. So now let's try to fill in everything in between. We're going to get these angles in terms of pi and radians. Start at 0 here. Now, if 180 is pi, so if 180 equals pi, what does 90 equal? Because 90 is half of 80, it's pi over 2. So pi over 2. So I can write that right here. That's pi over 2. So if I'm thinking about it just logically, mathematically, I go around to here, that's pi over 2. And then if I go here, that's another pi over 2. That's 2 pi's over 2's, which will equal pi. If I go around again from here to here, I'm going to have 3 pi's over 2. That's 90 times 3, which makes this 3 pi over 2. That's just 93 times. And if you multiply that 90 times 3, that's 270. And if you go one more time, that would be 4 pi over 2. If you reduce that, you get 2 pi, which is what we already have here. That's how you want to think about radians when you're looking at the unit circle. Okay, now let's start here. Because of what we did here, we said that 90 is half of 180. 45 is half of 90. So then what can we say about 45 in terms of radians? I know that 90 is pi over 2. So 45 would be what? Right, it'd be pi over 4. Because it'd be this times 1/2 is equals pi over 4. That's pi over 4. So think of this like a pie or pizza. That is pi over 4. Like, how many slices do you have in this pizza now? Because if you're doing angles of 90 degrees, you have 4 slices. Let's see how many slices of 45s we can get. So here's 1 here. So we cut that in half. We have 2 here. So this will be, from here to here is just 1 pi over 4. If I go over again, that'll be 2 pi's over 4. 2 pi's over 4, 2 pi over 4. That gives us pi over 2. Let's keep going like that. Okay, this will be 2 pi over 4 here at 90. Go another pi over 4 here. So that'll be, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4. Because you did 45 degrees 3 times. You have 3 slices. 3 pi's over 4. 1 slice, 2 slice, 3 slice. You go another 45 degrees, then you get 180. And that would be 4 pi's over 4. You see, now it's a pattern. If I go another 45 degrees, I'll have 5 pi's over 4. Another 45 degrees, I'll have 6 pi's over 4. And again, if you reduce that, you get 3 pi over 2. Now it's starting to all make sense. Another 45 degrees, so that'll be 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4. And another 45 degrees will be 8 pi over 4, which just equals 2 pi. And now for the last one, 30 degrees is pi over 2. How much would 30 degrees be? So 30 is a third of 90, I think. So 1/3. So 30 degrees would be pi over 6. Pi over 6. Okay, so if I go, that's 130 degrees. Another 30 degrees would be 60. That's 2 pi's over 6. 2 pi's over 6. Oh, that's pi over 3. Pi over 3. Another 30 degrees will give me 90. Another 30 degrees will give me 120. So we have 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6. So 4 pi over 6. If we reduce that, we get, what is that? Isn't that 2 pi over 3? And then go another 30 degrees. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 pi's over 6, which means that here we'll get 6 pi's over 6. You see that? That's going to give us 180, which is pi. We go another 30 degrees, that's 7 pi's over 6. Another 30 degrees, that's 8 pi over 6. So 8, oh, right here, 8 pi over 6. What is that, 4 pi over 3? So 4 pi over 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pi over 6, 9 pi over 6, which gives us this. If we reduce it, it's 9 pi over 6. And then we get 10 pi over 6, which will be here. What is 10 pi over 6 equals? 10 pi over 6. Was that 5 pi over 3, I think, if I did my math right. Yeah, 5 pi over 3. And then the last one, if this was 10 pi over 6, this will be 11 pi over 6.